In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete WhatsApp chats. If you're looking to clear out conversations for privacy or to free up space, I'll walk you through exactly what to do and explain what each option means so you can delete with confidence. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're on the main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Take a moment to locate the chat you want to remove. When you're ready, press and hold on that chat. You'll see it become selected, usually with a check mark or a highlighted background. This selection step is important because it tells WhatsApp which conversation you intend to delete. With the chat selected, look to the top bar and tap the trash can icon. This brings up a confirmation pop-up so you don't accidentally remove something you still need. On this pop-up, pay close attention to the option that says also delete media received in these chats from the device gallery. Make sure this box is checked if you want photos, videos, voice notes, and other attachments from that conversation removed from your phone's gallery as well. Checking it helps reclaim storage and ensures that sensitive media isn't left behind outside the chat. After you've reviewed the checkbox, tap Delete Chat to confirm. The conversation will be removed from your device along with any selected media. Keep in mind, deleting a chat on your phone doesn't remove messages from the other person's device, and once deleted, the thread can't be recovered from your chat list unless it still exists in an older backup you later restore. Group chats have one extra step. Find the group you want to remove and long press it to select. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu and choose Exit Group. Exiting is required because you can't fully delete a group thread from your device while you're still a participant. After you exit, long press the same group again to select it, tap the trash can icon, and confirm the deletion. If you see the option to also delete media, check it to clear group photos and videos from your gallery. That's it. You've permanently removed the selected chats from your device and, if chosen, their media from your gallery. For best results, take a quick look through your chat screen to confirm everything you intended to delete is gone. And remember, this is a local deletion on your phone. Others in the conversation will still have their copies. Thanks for watching, and take care of your privacy by cleaning up chats regularly.